हेलो एवरीवन। एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका। और ये सेकंड पार्ट है लैंडलाइन वैल्यू एडेड सर्विस का। तो चलो करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व, टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए। विच ITU-T रिकमेंडेशन वेयर यूज एज बेसिस ऑफ आयरन सर्विस इंट्रोड्यूस इन इंडियन नेटवर्क्स। तो ये Q1211 C will be right answer. What does ABD stand for the context of iron services? ABD abbreviated dialing. क्वेश्चन 3 देखते हैं। विच आयन सर्विस रिक्वायर स्पेशल टेलीफोन इंस्ट्रूमेंट। तो ये था अकाउंट कार्ड कॉलिंग। व्हाट डज CCC स्टैंड फॉर। तो क्रेडिट कार्ड कॉलिंग। Which service allow a subscriber to forward all incoming calls to the specified destination number। तो इसे बोलते हैं कॉल फॉरवर्डिंग अनकंडीशनल। व्हाट इज द पर्पज ऑफ malicious call indication MCI service। to report and log potentially malicious calls। which service involve high volume traffic and mainly used in televoting। तो mass calling। what is the purpose of follow me diversion FDM service। तो to remotely control call forwarding capability। B which service charges the call subscriber for the active phase and of a call but does not charge the calling users। तो फ्री फोन सर्विस थी है। what is the primary limitation of C dot in IN system। तो नॉन अपग्रेडेबिलिटी एंड स्केलेबिलिटी। which iron platform offer higher SCP capacity and greater scalability compared to C dot system। तो ये Alcatel iron system। what is the capacity of SCP in Alcatel iron system। तो 4 lakhs BHCA। which iron service allows subscriber to place call from one normal access interface and have the cost charged to a specified account। तो ACC account card calling। what does UN stand for a context of IN services। तो universal access number। C which service allows user to make call to a specific free phone number with the called paying agreeing to pay for the call। तो ये भी फ्री फोन था। what is the access code for televoting service। तो इसके लिए कोड था 811861। what feature allow to the caller to be notified when their VCC account balance reaches a certain threshold। तो credit limit। which IN service allow user to remotely control call forwarding capabilities। तो follow me FMD। what type of IN service charges the calling user at the higher rate for a local call। तो PRM premium rates। what is the primary advantage of the Alcatel IN system over C dot। तो scalability and upgradability। B which IN service allow user to share call charge with the calling party on a per call basis। तो split charging SPL splitting charging। What is the primary purpose of the destination call routing DCR service? So to route call based on the destination number dialed. A answer. Which service allows subscriber to define the routing of outgoing call through different type of networks? So user defined routing UDR. What does PRM stand for the context of IN service? तो premium rate. Which IN service allow user to survey public opinion by providing the single telephone number for voting? तो इसे टेलीवोटिंग बोलते थे. What? What is the primary function of the service control point SCP in IN network? To control the execution of the intelligent networks services. C answer. Which type of the call routing law allow subscriber to have incoming call routed to different destinations based on the priority list? So priority list distribution. What is the purpose of the mass calling services MAS? To route call based on the time of day and day of the week. Which IN service allows subscriber to forward incoming call to the specified destination number? तो call forwarding unconditional CFU. What is the primary limitation of the C dot in IN service? तो इसकी थी limited non upgradability and scalability D. या इसका सर्विस के लिए एक ये भी हो सकता है आपका लिमिटेड रिसोर्स फॉर अनाउंसमेंट एंड DTMF. Which IN service allows subscriber to screen outgoing call based on time and day? Originating calls screening OCS. What is the primary advantage of the Alcatel IN system over C dot? Scalability and upgradability. C आंसर सही हो जाएगा. Which service charge the calling user at the higher rate for local calls? तो ये था प्रीमियम बी आंसर सही हो जाएगा. What is the primary purpose for the destination call routing DCR service? To routes call based on the destination number dialed. Which service allows subscriber to define the routing of outgoing calls through different type of networks? ये repeated question है तो user defined routing UDR. ये आंसर सही हो जाएगा. What does PRM stand for the context of IN? Premium rates. Repeated question है. Which IN service user survey public opinion पर provide single telephone number of voting? Televoting. What is the primary function of the service control SCP in IN network? तो ये भी repeated question है. Which type of the call routing law allows subscriber to have incoming call routed different destinations based on the priority list? तो इसमें आपका आंसर हो जाएगा प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सी आंसर. व्हाट इज द पर्पज ऑफ मास कॉलिंग सर्विस? तो टू डू कंडक्ट हाई वॉल्यूम टेलीवोटिंग सर्वे. तो कैसी लगी दोस्तों ये वीडियो? क्वेश्चन किस तरह के हैं? उम्मीद करता हूँ ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आपके एग्ज़ाम में मिले. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.